Hey everybody, this is the first outdoor test of my EasyPAPR breathing apparatus. I am risking looking silly in public, and things are working pretty good. Not the silly part, but the actually working part. Let me get the camera down here. So, on my back, you can see there I have a fanny pack with the filter attached to the blower. The battery is inside the fanny pack, and then the hose goes up to the back of the helmet here, and it's inflating pretty well. My ears are popping a bit, and it's kind of loud. I really need to turn the speed down. That should reduce the volume as well. But this is pretty cool. It's cold outside, but the air blowing on me doesn't feel as cold as you'd think it would. On my walk out here, my hands got colder than the top of my head. But it's interesting, you know, it doesn't look like spring here in Colorado, but it is. And there's a lot of smells in the air, but I can't smell a thing with this filter in because it's really working. It's really removing all of the particles in the air, and that includes the things you could smell. So overall, other than extreme public embarrassment, and hey, I'm totally used to that, this worked awesome on the first outdoor test.